I needed a solution to help my girl shower curtain stay in place so that water didn't splash all over the floor. And these weights are working really well. Completely wrapped in silicone, they are rust resistant, good for long term and not staining the tub. I like that they have a very strong hold. I don't have any issues with them falling off, and they're a good balance and weight. They don't make a lot of noise either. The metal ones can really ding the side of a tub, and they couldn't be easier to use. The two sides of the magnets just clip on either side of the fabric. This is a pretty thick white fabric, but the magnets hold really well. The silicone is nice and soft. It seems pretty durable, and the magnet is pretty tough. It's got a nice hold to it once it gets connected, so I don't have any worries about them falling off. Overall, I like that they solve our most annoying bathroom problem. The curtains aren't going anywhere. We're not having water splashing out. I like that they're rust resistant, they're heavy duty, they're quiet. I even think these would be great on outdoor curtains or anywhere you have a lot of breeze. But anyway, they're giving us a calmer, cleaner shower. If this was helpful, please give us a like.